The Greater Yellowstone Ranch is located in Stillwater County of south central Montana, approximately 90 miles east of Bozeman, 10 miles west of Columbus, and 54 miles west of Billings, Montana. Certainly one of the highlights of the Greater Yellowstone Ranch is the fact that the Yellowstone River runs adjacent to the property for approximately 4 miles. The Yellowstone River is the longest free-flowing river in the United States and is one of 7 blue ribbon designated trout streams in the state of Montana. Having significant river frontage is a very valuable commodity, providing convenient fishing opportunities as well as creating a natural draw for a variety of wildlife. The Greater Yellowstone Ranch supports a varied wildlife community. For the hunter, upland game birds include pheasant, Hungarian partridge, sharp-tailed grouse, and turkey. There are also lots of ducks and geese that use the river regularly. The big game hunter can find elk, whitetail, and mule deer and antelope on the property. Comprising approximately 9,602 acres total, with 8,353 acres deeded, 609 acres of Bureau of Land Management, and 640 acres of State of Montana lease ground, the ranch runs roughly 4 miles at the widest and 6 miles at its longest point. The improvements on the property are fairly modest yet very functional and include a early 1900s 1.5-story ranch house, as well as miscellaneous outbuildings that include barns, agricultural and implement sheds, and a variety of other buildings. There's a good road system on the ranch that makes it possible to drive a truck to most parts of the property, some of the back pastures, various spring areas. The general topography on the ranch varies quite a bit, everything from river riparian bottomland habitat to areas of crop ground to large rangeland pastures that are divided by a series of high-timbered ridges and a multitude of draws and coulees. In addition to the current cropland on the ranch, there are other areas on the property that historically were dryland farmed at one point. And these could easily be put back into production to enhance the production aspect of the ranch or create food plots for wildlife. The Greater Yellowstone Ranch is a compelling property from the standpoint that it offers most of the features that are commonly sought after when considering a ranch purchase. The property is large in terms of acreage and essentially contiguous, which gives a sense of vastness and remoteness, yet is located within an hour of the largest city in Montana. For the buyer looking for a production ranch or a sporting property with strong hunting and fishing components, the Greater Yellowstone Ranch certainly fits the bill.